What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to take a look at Floki. I have a nice little bag. It's been doing well. It's up like 300% since I bought it. So we're sitting at 0.00003. We're up 17% on the day. I'm going to show you the wave count. Market cap 3 billion. 24-hour volume 1.59 billion. So if we look at the bottom of Floki here, potentially wave one up. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, pushed up into wave 3. This cluster right here, pullback into 4, pushed up into 5. Now, the reason that that wave count looks good is because we pulled all the way back ABC correction to the golden ratio before exploding back to the upside once again. So we have a beautiful wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, bounce off the golden ratio. Perfect level for a wave 2. And now pushing up into wave 3, so I can give you that wave 3 target. Trend-based sweep extension from the bottom of 1. If you're new to Elliott Wave, I definitely recommend subscribing to the channel because this is the absolute best way to analyze and predict the market, in my opinion. So, off the low, bear market low, pushed up in a wave 1, pulled back in a wave 2. So take a trend-based sweep extension from the bottom of 1 to the top, to the bottom of 2, and that wave 3 target, you would target the 161.8, which is coming in all the way at a juicy 0.0006. And from the current price, you're looking at about a 1x, 100% gain. So as you can see from the current price, bada bing, bada boom, it's about 100% up to 0.0006 from the current price. Now, if we zoom in here, within that wave 3 or 5 waves, so we already have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 pullback, a wave 3, a wave 4, pushing up in a wave 5. Now, of course, it's going pretty parabolic. So take the wave count with a grain of salt because it can change quickly. But as of right now, you have a beautiful 5-wave move. So if we were to pull back in a wave 2 from here, I can give you a target zone. Take a fib retracement from the bottom of that wave count all the way up to the top. Now, I'm not saying a guarantee that this is going to pull back from here, but if it does, if you start to see more signs of a correction, then you can pull all the way back. But if Bitcoin continues up, obviously Floki will continue as well, and we have to adjust the wave count. That's just how it works with Elliott Wave or any kind of analysis. You have to adjust it based off price action. So, because wave 3s can overextend. So if it continues up, that means it could be an extended wave 3. A pullback from here would lead you back down to 0.000229 or 0.000165 before seeing that continuation. However, if we simply continue up from here, let's see where we're at on that wave 3 target. Yeah, we pushed up. I'm just going to delete this other fib because it's distracting. We pushed right up to the 161.8 on that wave 3 before pulling back, which is very normal. But if we do overextend, then your next wave 3 target for an overextended 3 would be the 261.8, which is at 0.000385, or the 361.8 at 0.00479 if we're going to see an extended wave 3. If we were to pull back from here, then there's your target zone for a wave 2 pullback before continuing higher. But that larger wave count off the bear market low, we're looking for a target of 0.00060390, which is 100% gain from the current price, which would be extremely juicy for our friend Floki. All right, guys, I give trade signals. They're completely for free. Beautiful month of May, absolutely crushing it, not only in crypto but as well as Forex. But I did post my weekly or monthly results for May, as you can see right here, for crypto, as well as Forex, the monthly results. You can see how much you would have made based off your account size. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitinix, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on your fees when you sign up through my link on every single trade. Make your first deposit, can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, as well as Forex trades. I've been crushing it in Forex, just absolutely crushing it. All week already, we've already had 3 trades. They've all hit their take profits. So we're just slaying Forex as well as trading crypto. We're in 2 trades for crypto right now. All links down below. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.